there. Woohoo! Look at God. Um, yes. Okay. So I need to share Zoom. Zoom. Got it. Um, share screen and advance. Share. And we are in there. All right, all right, all right. We are in the house. I think we are up and running, ladies and gentlemen. Let me double check here on YouTube of the Tube. All right, we should be. No, 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 no. We should be in there now. Should be streaming live, but we're not. Gosh darn it. What are we doing? Here we go. All right. I think we're in there. All right. If we are in there, if you guys see me here live on YouTube and you can hear me, Lima Charlie, that means loud and clear. Put 357 in the chat for our YouTube listeners. I want to make sure that we are in there, baby. I need to make sure that we are in there. Come on now. We got 3 people sitting out there. Let me know that we're good to go. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. This is your boy Jamie, aka Cut the Rope. Bring it to you from the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That's right. I am here. I am live with you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say good morning to you. But I also want to say I'm sorry for being a little tardy to the party. Sometimes, you got to be fashionably a little late, right? You guys, we had some technical difficulties beyond my control, but we got with our engineer and everything's taken care of. So I'm thankful for our engineer. They definitely took care of us this morning. Had to wake them up, but that's what they get paid to do, right? That's what they get paid to do. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for showing up this morning and being patient with us as yes, we are live. Okay. Thank you. You got to say thank you to people. You got to say that, let people know that you appreciate them. No, 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 no. Okay, there we go. All right. No Arabic this morning. Not this morning. Not this morning. All right. We are up and running, guys. So again, I apologize that we are a little tardy to the party, but we are here. We are rocking and we're rolling. So before we get started, let's go ahead and talk about our risk disclaimer this morning. Futures, options, and currency trading all have potential rewards, but they also have large potential risks. You must be aware of the risk. And there we go. All right. You must be aware of the risks. That's right. Aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in these markets. All right. You guys got to understand you're going to lose some money in this thing. Don't trade any money you can't afford to lose. That's right. Don't trade if you can't afford. Don't trade your rent money, your mortgage money, your car note, your electricity, baby drama money, hush money, whatever it is that you got going on in your life. Don't use it unless you're willing. Don't use it unless you're willing to lose it. All right. Please understand, prior or previous profits isn't indicative to future outcomes. It's not. Period. All right. We are not your financial advisors. We are not giving you any form of financial advice. This is used for training purposes only. All right. So our job here at Elite Traders University is to make sure that we protect you. We got to make sure that you're taken care of. And if you're taken care of, that means Elite Traders University is taken care of. On behalf of Dr. Gregory McLeod of Elite Traders University, we welcome you this morning. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to jump right into it. We're a little bit far behind. It's 8:22 in the morning. That's right, 8:22 in the morning, February 20th, the year 2024. Guys, if you're out there in YouTube land, give me a big holla holla so I know that you're out there and you can see me, you can hear me, and I just want to make sure that everything is just right for you. Don't trade the hush money. That's right, Jay Boogie. Don't trade the hush money. I'm serious, man. You know, people out here wilding out, you know. they trading everything, right? So we want to make sure that you guys are taking care of your business and not putting yourself in any form of a financial strain. All right. So we're going to take a look, a gander, if you will, at the My Market Heat Map. That's right, the My Market Heat Map. And I'm going to be very honest with you guys. If you take that address right there, yeah, that right there, that address right there. If you take a picture of that QR code, ooh, not the QR code, I do apologize. That's for Blue Guardian. That's one of our trusted Forex trading companies that we use for funded accounts. But we're going to talk about that a little bit later. But if you take a picture of that address up there at the URL, mymarketheatmaps.com, you can actually receive this. That's right, receive it for $20 a month. That's right, $20 a month. So that way you can have an edge in these things we call the Forex streets. Currently, right now, we're looking at the Forex majors. That's right, the Forex majors. And I'm going to give it to you like Dr. Greg gives it to us. If it's green, we're buying. If it's red, we're selling. If it's gray, we stay away. If it's yellow, we walk on by. We move on to something else. And currently, right now, at the 8:24 hour, on this beautiful day of February 20th, Tuesday, NZD USD and AUD USD is in the top spots. We're going to go ahead and take a look over now. Since we've looked at the Forex majors, we're going to go take a look at the secondary pairs to include. Oh, we got some news coming up too. We're going to go look at the secondary pairs, or what I like to call the minors, and the exotics. All right. So right now, what's taking the bottom slots is the JPY basket, GBP NZD, and GBP AUD. At the top, NU, AU, NJ. But CAD is about to be in play. So we're going to go take a look. And that's why this My Market Heat Map is so important for you to have in your weapons of mass destructions, in your repertoire, if you will. We're going to take a look at the economic calendar. That's right, the economic calendar, because we got some news coming up and we need to be prepared for that. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to trade the news. No. I never said we were going to trade it. But we sure definitely going to take a look at it. If we have an opportunity, we're going to take advantage of it. All right. So currently right now, I'm supposed to be going down. All right. So we got Canadian news. We have the core inflation rate in 3 minutes, month on month. Previously, it was at negative 0.5. They're talking about that it's going to increase by 0.3%. Core inflation rate year on year. They were looking at that at 2.6, looking at dropping down a point at 2.5%. CPI medium year on year, looking at 3.6, no change. And of course, CPI trim mean year on year, looking at possibly a change by 1%. Core inflation, that's medium news. It looks like that's going to be increasing by 0.4%. And then CAD inflation inflation rate year on year looks at going down to 3.3 instead of 3.4. So guys, let's go ahead and take a little gander at USD CAD. All right. Again, I am not saying that we're going to take advantage of this. I'm not saying at all. But I want to definitely take a look at it. I'm going to do a quick analysis. And again, guys, I do apologize. We were supposed to already be ready for this. Currently right now, we are truly in a nice tight range. All right, nice range. Approximately a 900 pip range. Let's go ahead and look at our weekly. Currently in an overall uptrend from here to here. As we can see, she's starting to lose a little strength. I got the daily right here. She is truly respecting this trend line. Now, again, guys, I am not going to rush this. There's no need to. We have plenty of time. But I want to make sure that we make a good analysis, right? We got to make a good analysis on this trade here. You got to make a good analysis. All right, Sean Evans is in the HOUSE, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to see you, Sean. Thank you so much. Glad you joined us this morning. All right, USD CAD. You know, and I am almost sure CAD JPY is looking even better. And I'm going to be honest with you, I think we're going to be looking at making sales on the USD CAD. Yeah. I think we're going to make some sales on the USD CAD. That's looking rather scrumptious. Really scrumptious. I'm going to take a look at CAD JPY real quick, please. You guys just give me a moment. Yeah, this looks really nice. Looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these drawings real quick. Yeah, we definitely are looking to come back up to these old highs here, CAD JPY. Definitely looking for price to come back up to those old highs on CAD JPY. It's about another 22 pips. But I think we're gonna wait this one out. Yeah, we're gonna wait this one out. So pick your poison. Either CAD JPY or USD CAD. I'm looking for buys on CAD JPY, and I'm looking for sell. Oh, whoa, that thing came to another level. Oh my goodness, it definitely did the loop-de-loop on us. Boy, did it do the loop-de-loop. Oh my goodness, this is the reason why I wanted to wait. And this thing dropped down 30 pips in a second, right? Look at that. All right. We're going to check the news here real quick and see what happened. Let's go ahead and refresh that real quick. Ooh, that is ugly. That thing definitely turned around like a Burmese python. I'm going to tell you that right now. All right. Oh, news was bad for the Canadian dollar. That's right. Core inflation rate year on year, negative 2.4%. Medium CPI medium year on year was at 3.3. Previously was at 3.6. CPI trend mean year on year was at 3.4. Previously was at 3.7. It's actually worse than what they predicted at 3.6%. Core inflation rate year on year was at 2.9%. Previously was at 3.4, predictably 3.3%. All right, guys. So the core inflation rate month on month has not hit yet. We're going to go ahead and refresh these numbers. Let's go ahead and refresh these numbers. That's why I don't mind waiting. Like Janet Jackson said back in the day, let's just wait a while. Okay, let's just wait a while. Seemed like there was no change on the inflation rate month on month with the Canadian dollar. That was no change. That was medium impact news. Well, guys, let's go ahead and take a look and see the damage that the Canadian dollar did. Oh, wow. That thing just said, I'm going down. And boy, did it drop. It is definitely dropping right now. Down 28, 29 pips. Let's go and look back at USD CAD. USD CAD, it just came on up. It definitely shot up. See how many points or how many pips it shot up. It shot up about 30 pips also. So, guys, I'm glad that we did not take this trade because we definitely would have been in the wrong direction. And that's why we don't need to rush, right? We have plenty of time. We can always look for entries after major impact of news. All right. So this was probably a blessing in disguise. All right. It was truly, truly a blessing in disguise. All right. So currently right now, USD CAD has done its business. Has done its business. I'm going to look at right now. I'm going to look at this right now. And I'm going to look at this here. Price is definitely bullish. I tell you, the US dollar is, I'm telling you, it ain't a punk. The US dollar is not a punk in any way, shape, or form. They're talking about trying to take the dollar out. Oh, I tell you, I guess the United States said, big boy, you better bring a bag lunch and an extra pair of drawers because you about to get into a fight. And no ifs, ands, or buts about that. All right, guys? So bad was not good news at all for the Canadian dollar, at all. It was not good news for the Canadian dollar. Was not good news for the Canadian dollar. There was not good news for the Canadian dollar. There was not good news for the Canadian dollar. All right. Yeah, we are definitely in a real nice retracement here. Nice, 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 nice retracement here. Nice retracement. I'm going to go ahead and what I like to call put a little stank on it. Yeah, I want to put a little stank on it here. I want to see where we're currently at right now. Yeah, that US dollar is definitely like Incredible Hulk strong. Like Hulk smash strong. Okay. Into the 4. This US dollar is very, very, very bullish. Good morning to each and every one of you out there in Zoom land and YouTube land. It's an honor to have you here with us this morning. Now, YouTube land, we're going to be moving over to the other side. That's right. We're going to be moving over to the Facebook group. Now, if you want to be part of this Facebook group, to get the insides of everything, that's right, to be in the know, you might want to go ahead and register here. And I'm actually going to put that inside. I'm going to put that inside the chat. Go ahead and get it for you. I need to go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to put this link in the YouTube chat. Yeah, I'm going to put it in there just for you. For you. That's right. I'm going to put it in there just for you. I'm going to put it in there just for each and every one of you. Just give me one moment. I'm going to put that in there right now. Because I don't want you to miss out. That's right. But see, here's the deal. You're going to have to register. That's right. You're going to have to register to be part of this. You're going to have to register. I'm telling you that right now. You're going to have to register. There you go. All right. I put it in there for you. We're going to get moving. About to tear up my mouse here. There we go. All right. At least I didn't break this one, right? All right, so we're going to be moving over to that in about 3 minutes. We're going to move over to the Facebook group in about 3 minutes. And yeah, this USD CAD is, I mean, it is pushing. It is pushing. It is definitely pushing. And it looks like we're going to be going for the target of about 1.335.25. Yeah, I think that looks really good. I think that's a real good number to yeah, I think that we're going to do that. That's right, 250. 250. Let's go ahead and do that. That's right. 1.32, excuse me, 1.35250. Now, what we have to do is find an entry. That's right. We got to find an entry. We got to find an entry. If that's what's going to happen. All right, we're just gonna be a little patient. I'm gonna go to the economic calendar one more time. I'm gonna see if we have any other news that's gonna be popping off today. That's gonna be significant to us. Later on this evening, we have the Japanese balance of trade, and we have the Australian dollar in the mix. Okay, and then for tomorrow, we have more Canadian news. I mean, CAD news is in the house for the next couple of days. All right. We also have FOMC minutes coming up at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. All right, so be on the lookout for that. All right, be on the lookout for that. And then come Thursday, we're going to be having some Hong Kong news. But the big Bahama Mama is going to be at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. That's right. Euro news is going to be super hot at 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then thereafter at 9:45, or should I say at 8:30, initial job claims are going to be coming out. And then an hour and 15 minutes thereafter, there's going to be PMI. PMI flash is going to be in the house at 9:45. So guys, this is going to be a hot week of news. All right. So we don't have any more news coming out today that's going to impact us. All right. It's going to impact us. I'm going to go back here to USD CAD because I would like to see the US dollar kind of pull back a little bit before I look for an entry. All right, I'm going to go down here to the H1. All right. Take a look, see right here. Where are we? I would definitely like to see price come back up here to this old high here. Like this. Yeah, I would definitely like to see price come back to this old high here. I want her, she's already knocked this out here. All right. She already took this high out here, which is great. All right. But the question is she going to hold that? The question is she going to hold it? I would feel more comfortable if she came up here to this old high. Again, at 1.35250. I would prefer that to happen. All right. I'm going to start looking for some entries. And if we are truly bullish, I'm looking for price to come back and make a nice little retracement. Possibly 50% or down to the magic equation of the 618. All right. Yeah, I let my drink get cold. So guys, give me a minute. Let me refresh my drink. If you guys don't mind, I've got a Mountain Dew here. I don't want to get too warm. Right, so give me a second. Right? Okay, I'm back with you. Now, see, that didn't take but a quick second. So I switched out my Mountain Dew for Code Red. That's right, a nice Code Red. Excuse me. Please forgive me. Excuse me. All right. Here we are. All right, we're going to see what's going to happen now. I want to say good morning to each and every one of you. Glad that you are here with us this beautiful, beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. We're going to be switching over here in about 1 more minute to the Facebook group. We're going to be switching over to the Facebook group. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my page for just a brief moment, guys. Just for a brief moment. Just for a brief moment. All right, now everybody over there in YouTube land, we're switching out. We're going over here to Facebook land. So come on over and join us over there at our Facebook group, The Trader's Den. It is a private group, so you're going to have to register. All right, we'll meet you guys over there.